Today I'm going to walk you through the two-phase process for importing a page template using Elementor. So the first thing you want to do is log into your WordPress backend. From there you want to click on Templates under Elementor and then Saved Templates, which will take you to any saved templates you've already imported. If you haven't imported anything, what you're then going to do is click Import Templates, then choose File. I'm looking for my Elementor opt-in form page template, so I'm going to open that, and then I'm going to click Import Now. This can go slowly or quickly depending on how big the file is. This is a small file, so it doesn't take that long. Now, this was the completed first step. We have added the template to your template library. So now we want to add it to a page. So I'm going to click on Pages, and then Add New, because I'm starting with a new page from scratch. I'm going to title this Elementor Landing Demo. Now, because this is a landing page template, I am going to change the template from the default template to the Elementor canvas, and this will remove the header and the footer. Now, I'm going to then click Edit with Elementor, which will save the draft of the page and open the Elementor builder. Now, the next step is to import the template. So I want to click on this file icon in the canvas and where it says Add Template. This lets me do things like add blocks, add pages. So these are all things in the Elementor library, or I can click on My Templates, which is where the template we just saved will live. So now I'm going to find my opt-in template, and I'm going to click Insert. And this will override the design, layout, and other settings of the page we're working on. I'm going to click Apply. And now, as you can see, it overrode my settings to not make my So as you can see, when we imported this template, it overrode my settings, my previous settings, to give me a version without my header and footer. So in order to change this, you can do it inside the Elementor builder. You're going to click on the settings wheel in the lower left corner and scroll all the way to the bottom where it says page layout. See, it says default. Now what I want to change this to is the Elementor canvas. And by doing that, it will then remove the header and give me back my page that is specifically just my Elementor elements. And now I can go in and make all the changes I want to update this page. I can change my colors, I can change my fonts, I can change the copy, add my own images in, and remove anything that doesn't fit with what I'm working on. And then once I'm ready, I can either click Publish with this purple button, or I can click Save Options and save as a draft. Now, because this is not done and it's just a template, I'm going to save the draft. And then I'm going to click the 3-line menu in the upper left corner, and then I'm going to choose Exit. And that is how you make changes and import a template with Elementor.